Hey, this is Matt McLean, and I'm going to show you how to create your slideshow on a PC. So the bad news is you're going to have to use your old friend Audacity to do all of the arranging and layering of sounds. So what you're going to have to do is map out on a piece of paper when you are going to change your slides. So let's say you want to change your slides every 7 seconds. You'll have to go in and create the audio for the slideshow in Audacity, and just keep in mind that you're going to be layering in the slides using another program in a minute here, and have your audio scenes change every 7 seconds. And then export your finalized layered piece of audio for the slideshow. And then what we're going to do is use Movie Maker here on the PC. So depending on what version of Windows you have, you will have a different version of Movie Maker. And I've seen some versions where you can actually layer audio, but no, thank you. I have a version that doesn't let you layer audio, so you just have to have a single stereo audio track. And what we're going to use here is Movie Maker, and in this version, I'm going to create a blank document, and it says click here to browse for videos and photos. And all I really no, this is why I hate PCs. Sorry. What you have to do is simply drag and drop images. So I'm going to use these two similar desert images that have from before, and I'm going to drag them in here to the Arrange window. And then when you select an image here, you can go to Edit and then change the duration. And the duration on Movie Maker here is in seconds. So this slide will play for 7 seconds, and then the next one will play for 7 seconds as well. And then go back to the beginning here, and we'll just hit play. And bang, after 7 seconds you'll see the slide change. Now the other thing that we need to do is drop some audio in here. So let's say we have a finished audio track. We're going to drag and drop that into the Arrange window as well. So I'm just going to drag this over here, and you're going to see the piece of audio, and we're actually going to start it at the beginning so everything syncs up, and you'll see your slides up on top, and you'll see your piece of audio here. So just make sure that the audio starts at the beginning of your slideshow and that it extends all the way to the end. So this is your finished piece of audio that you have arranged. It should be exactly 1 minute long. You've done it in Audacity, and from here all you're going to do is export. So make sure that your slides are right up next to each other, and then we are going to go back home here, and you're going to say save movie. And it's that easy. It will export an MPEG-4 and just call it your last name. So assignment 5. And put it on desktop. And you'll see me struggle here on a PC because I don't know my way around. I'm going to save that to the desktop. And it'll take a minute here to export. This is the rough workaround using Movie Maker here. So most of the work that you're going to do is going to be in Audacity. So I definitely advise watching the other video that I did for the Mac users using GarageBand, even though you're not going to be afforded the luxury of GarageBand. A lot of the layering ideas you can adapt and use in Audacity. And you won't have the sound library that comes with the GarageBand, but you do have freesound.org, and there are a lot of great sounds. Everything you need is in there. Make sure that you have a user account at this point, because you're definitely going to need to get in there and use it for the final project. And I just want to double check this and make sure that it exported a finished copy. Remember to always double check your final work. No, I don't want to do that. And then that should be it. So I apologize for the audio quality here. I don't have my audio interface working with the PC laptop here. So this is what a bad microphone sounds like. Let's see where to put this. Oh, we'll just play it here and make sure it works. Okay, so you can hear that the audio works. And let's close this. Okay, get this out of the way. So here's the slideshow that I exported. Let's double check this, make sure it works. There we go. And you see after 7 seconds it changes the slide. So we heard audio along with the slideshow. That was zoomed in, looks really pixelated. But I will assume that most of these projects are going to be somewhat pixelated. I'm more concerned with the sound design. So remember, focus on 3 stages of sound, or three areas within the sound stage. So focus on what's going on in the distance, what's going on in the mid-range, and what is going on up close. And with 3 simple elements, you can usually fool the listener into believing they're involved with the image that they're seeing at the time. Okay, thanks for watching, and don't forget to watch the other video for Mac users.